In continuation to our analytical geometry topic, here we will understand about section formula for an internal division. Let M, X, Y be a point which divides the line segment joining the points P, X1, Y1 and Q, X2, Y2 internally in the ratio M:n. Then the coordinates of M are mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. We'll prove this particular formula. Consider this XOY plane, and this is our point P, this is our point Q. Internally, there is another point M, which divides this line segment in the ratio m:n. So that means this is x1, y1, p, this is q, x2, y2, p, q, and then this is m, x1, x, y. We are drawing a perpendicular from P to touch the x-axis at point A. We will draw a perpendicular from M to touch the x-axis at point N. Similarly, a perpendicular to touch x-axis at R. Again, we will draw a parallel to x-axis MB and parallel to x-axis PS. So this becomes 90 degrees. This also becomes 90 degrees. So we will indicate this point as S, this point as P. Now let us consider triangles. Yeah. So let me consider now triangle MSP and triangle we'll say Q. Triangle QBM. We may notice that angle MSP is the same as angle QBM and both are 90 degrees. Then this angle and this angle are the same because they are corresponding angles, means angle MPS is the same as angle QMB because they both are corresponding angles. So, based on angle criterion, we can conclude triangle MSP is similar to triangle QBM. So therefore, we can say PM divided by MQ will be the same as PM divided by MQ is M by N. We'll write that. And that will be the same as PS divided by MB. And that will be the same as MS divided by QB. MS and QB, PS and MB. Now let us consider PS. What is PS? PS is the same as AN. And what is AN? AN is nothing but ON minus OA. ON minus OA. Now what is ON? ON is from origin to this, it is in the x-axis, so the value corresponding is x. So ON is x. OA corresponding value for the coordinate is x1, so it is x1. Then MB is what? MB is the same as NR. And what is NR? NR is OR minus ON. OR minus ON. What is OR? OR, the corresponding x coordinate is x2. So it is x2 minus ON is x. So therefore, based on these two, we can say x minus x1, which is PS, divided by MB, which is x2 minus x, should be equal to M by N. That means Nx minus Nx1 is equal to Mx2 minus Mx. So let's bring this Mx to the left-hand side. Minus Mx to the left-hand side, it becomes positive. This is Mx2. And take this negative Nx1 from left to right, it will become positive. So we can say here, x times M plus N is equal to Mx2 plus Mx1, which means our x value will be Mx2 plus Nx1 divided by M plus N. Right. Now let us consider MS. What is MS? MS is the same as Mn minus Sn. Mn minus Sn. What is Mn? Mn is, this distance is y. What is Sn? Sn is same as PA. So what is PA? PA is nothing but y1. So y minus y1. Then let us find out what is QB. QB is this one. QB is same as QR minus BR. QR minus BR. What is QR? QR is nothing but Y2. What is BR? BR distance is same as MN distance. So we will replace it with MN. So that is Y2 minus, what is MN? MN's distance is Y. So Y2 minus Y. Therefore, we can say MS by QB. MS divided by QB, which we know it is Y minus Y1 by Y2 minus Y, will be equal to M by N. Cross multiplying, we will have NY minus NY1 is equal to MY2 minus MY. So that means bringing that minus My from right to left, it will become plus My. Then My2, taking this negative Ny1 to the, from left to right, it becomes positive Ny1, which means our Y will be, let me write this fully, Y times M plus N is equal to My2 plus Ny1. That means our Y will be My2 plus Ny1 divided by M plus N. So we can say straight away, therefore, X comma Y is equal to M, see here we wrote already, Mx2 plus Nx1 plus by M plus N. Mx2 plus Nx1 by M plus N. That is our X. Then Y we found out here. My2 plus Ny1 by M plus N. My2 plus Ny1 by M plus N. So that will be the proof for this particular thing. The same thing, we got it.